So we had this pressure washed. Guys, a lot of times people see things and they're automatically like going to new paint or just completely demo, but in reality all it needs is just some good pressure washing and it'll be back to brand new. If y'all saw how this looked before, y'all won't even recognize it. So yeah, we're gonna need to get those potters repainted for sure, cleaned out and repainted. But yeah, this looks a lot better from when we bought it, so that's good news. I'm gonna get this professionally cleaned so we're not really tripping on stains here and there. But yeah, we're gonna change this fixture right here. That has to go. That does not look good. We putting mulch, right? All around? Okay. Trash? Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.